On this page we're revising the AU for the OR sound, but there are 11 different ways of writing the OR sound, and I've listed some of them here. So you've got AR as in war, AL as in taught, OUR as in your, AW as in saw, OUGH as in fought, AUGH as in taught. Now AU, there are 2,185 words in the English language that we use, commonly use, that have the AU for the OR sound in them. Fraud is wrongful deception for financial or personal gain. A jaunt is a short outing for enjoyment. Taunt is jeering or mocking remarks. Pause is to stop temporarily. A sauna is a small room kept at a high temperature. A bauble is a decoration or trinket, often a small ball we hang on a Christmas tree. Saunter is a slow, relaxed walk. Caution is a warning. The laundry is a room in a house or building where we wash clothes. And raucous is a loud noise that is grating and annoying. We went through the word meanings yesterday, so go back to the day one video if you're not sure of the definitions of these words. So here you have to write this word to match its definition. Fill in the gap with the missing this word. Antonyms mean the opposite, so you've got to find this word that means the opposite to each of these given words. Complete the idiom, then write its meaning, so it will be a list word that you're filling that gap with, and then use your own words to explain what that idiom means. Down here we're looking for common word pairs, so you've got to find the list word that goes with each of those given words. After you've filled in the words at the top of the page, then we need you to circle the verb written in the wrong tense and write it in the correct tense on the line at the end of each sentence. Down the bottom, we want you to fill in the gap with the missing list word or extension, so be mindful there of the endings that you put on each of these words. Write the new word. So we've given you some clues here how to put that word together, and then we want you to use it in a sentence to show that you know its form and meaning. Down the bottom we want you to use the verb taunt in a sentence in the tense that it is indicated, and the tense is the future tense. This day 4 is going to test your knowledge and use of apostrophes. So you know you can use apostrophes in contractions when we join two words together and we've taken out some letters. So the apostrophe usually goes where we've taken out the letters. But if we're showing possession, then there are a couple of rules that you have to know. So basically the main rule is that the apostrophe always goes at the end of the base word. You just have to work out if the base word is singular or plural. So if it's singular, it usually goes before the S unless the base word ends in an S, and then it goes after the S. If it's in its plural form, then it goes after the S. But if it's an irregular plural, such as men, the base word of the plural for man is men. So the end of the base word is the N, so the apostrophe must go at the end of the base word, so it goes before the S. So work your way through here. We've got a mixture of contractions and possessive apostrophes through there. Down here we want you to fill in the gap with the correct word from the word bank. Now its can only be used as a contraction with the apostrophe. It can't show possession in the word it. Your, this version is short for you are. You've got your, they are, their, who is or who has, and we've got whose. So work those out and place them within each of those sentences. The last bit's quite easy. Rewrite the phrases using possessive apostrophes as shown, so that's quite easy to do.